How to fix AliExpress payment error in 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. Here I have opened AliExpress in my browser. You can also open it in your app. The process is applicable to all. The payment error occurs in the AliExpress due to your network issue in your area. So for that you need to check whether you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or not. After that you can refresh the page. By doing that also you'll be able to fix your problem, but if you are still unable to fix your problem, then you can tap on the three dotted horizontal line which is in the left upper corner. Before moving forward, subscribe our channel and like our video for more updates. So here you have to scroll down below and at last you'll be able to see the help center, and from there you'll be able to ask for help to your problem, and by doing that your problem will be fixed. So by following this simple step you can fix AliExpress payment error in 2023. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.